before I slap the dog piss out you, bitch. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I have a story time. I kind of almost missed my flight.
Now look who creepin', look who crawlin', still ballin' in the mix. It's that 6'6" long slim nigga sticking your cheek, pulling tricks, looking slick at all times when I'm flippin'. Bar sippin', car dippin', Grantwood grain grippin', still tippin' out, still tippin'.
The sun is sunning and the men's is fine. Tell them how the men's look, Chanel.
The men's looking like sniggity snacks.
Shit, man, take me to my home. 90 Day Fiance.
The Mad Hatter has spoken.
Listen, goodbye. Is it alcohol?
Yes, little.
Oh, you said a little?
Little gin.
It's pretty though. I like it. Thank you. All right, let's do this little toasty toast. Come on, Chanel. Let's go. Like dirt? You said earthy?
It's only one person.
Oh no, that's good. Okay, y'all, so we made it real quick so we can get something to eat from the buffet because the buffet is actually already closed. So I'll just show y'all probably this shit tomorrow because it's too much going on.
Every time we link up, it's obvious that we're thinking, will we get that? Is it wrong?
Please. You want them again? You should have kept them. On the first time. Oh yeah, you already wrote my room on there too, right? Yes, I have 2 luggages.
This is your room? I don't have
Is it?
Is it? This is what?
How the hell? I don't think this gonna work. Okay.
That was easy.
Oh yeah, my egg on, baby.
Okay, well we connected, so.
Well,
Ram.
yes, I feel it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Question,
Thanks.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until
Made it to the DR. I'm in my room. Let me put this TV on mute. Yes, y'all. So I am in my room, about to get in the shower so I can rinse myself off, wash this airport off me, and get ready to go out to the neon party. So the neon pool party is today, and then the white party is tonight. It's giving swim up. Okay, it's giving what it needs to give. Now, I will say, starting from us just getting here, it's not giving Royals in Cancun. Y'all know I went to the Royals in Cancun in January. It ain't giving. It ain't giving. And we had Diamond Club there. We got Diamond Club here. It's no comparison. It's no comparison. So let me wipe down and spray down and then get in the shower.
It's the ones that smoke blunts with ya, see your picture. Now they want to grab the guns and come and get ya.
It's a white party. Why go to neon party with somebody tomorrow? We got another bathing suit I can wear out.
The ones that smoke blunts with ya, see your picture. Now they want to grab.
Like a party in a floaty corner.
Why didn't Mike text at? Yeah. They're gonna be up there.
I tell y'all we outside. You can turn up and turn it down. It's too bright, turn it down. What? I know. Look at mine.
Come on now.
Ma'am, be careful, cause I ain't keeping.
Okay.
Ma'am, be careful.
It got warm in here.
I know.
Y'all pee.
Everybody feet at one time.
Tasha, be careful so you won't knock this over.
I'm about to get down there with
Okay, come on.
Look, 1, 2, 3, please.
It got warm.
I'll listen. I go.
Come on. She thinks she's gonna drown.
My feet can't fit.
I'll get it.
I'm walking this way. Put me this way. Put me this way.
We'll get on camera. There we go.
I don't even know if I'm on camera. I'm in the cut.
Pass me the wine. Pass the wine on the left hand side. No, right here.
Oh, this is my song.
Thanks, boo.
Bring everybody cup on.
That's good. Thank you. Oh. Would you still be in love, baby? Ow! I hit my foot. Oh. Did I scrape all my polish off? That'll be unfortunate. Okay, guys, I guess I'll get out. Y'all waiting on me. Maya, what you doing? Where's the grams? Oh, George ain't on there. So we just gonna win waiting on the men?
No, we want to go get dressed. You know, we gonna take
Mr. J is leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense.
Period. Diamond Club turn. We in Diamond Club turn up the place. Listen, we paid for the things, we want to get the things. Them ain't the one. No, yeah, them gonna burn.
We can use them just to hold them.
All right, do this toe.
Y'all don't move and shit. Find out.
Oh, wait.
Find out. Find out. Y'all don't move.
Perfect song sing took the spot of them joints.
Look, the ones that don't do who go always want to provide for the help.
That's it right there.
Mm-hmm. Come on, Chanel. Libra, ting, 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 ting. Look at yours. Hey, period. The lights over there for me. Yeah, the. I know, I think so too. It's the nail change for me. Did y'all peep that? Come on, damn it. All right, we're gonna try this buffet one more time for then down. Because earlier was not. Oh my God.
I feel the heat.
Why it's so hot in here?
The pizza not too bad.
Oh yeah, the pizza good. Who got that? Bye, Leila.
See, look how thick hers is. Remember we got at the pool? It was water. Right. Oh my Lord. You gonna have to get wet to come up on this porch. Period.
We going out in here. Ready, set, go. Clink, 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 clink.
Finally, it's happening. We finally got the shot. Finally, we got the shot.
Anybody?
Oh, you want to host the toast?
Everybody, you say arriba.
Arriba!
Stand up, everybody.
Stand up.
Okay, arriba. Abajo.
Abajo!
Al centro.
El centro.
Chiqui.
Shaky, shaky. Arriba! Arriba! Andale, andale! Oh, you son of a bitch. I almost lost my line. I gotta go.
Home hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches are set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprints to Quebec. Cherie, où est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get.
Show where she living on the edge.
Not a thick one like that. You have.
Now let me see. What is the flavor on this one?
No, that one is light. The flavor I got.
Yeah, we need the flavor.
Cigarrillo.
Oh yes. Okay, let me see. Puff, puff, puff.
You like it?
That one is Dominican vanilla.
We're still at it, baby. What time is it? 5 in the morning.